In the previous session, we looked at slope intercept form, slope point form, 2 points form, and now today we look at the other forms. Intercept form. Now let's say we have a line with an X-intercept A and Y-intercept B. So because of this, the line passes through A, 0, and because of this passes through 0, B. So we have already seen equation of a line is y minus y1 by x, y2 minus y1 is equal to x minus x1 and x2 minus x1. So because of these two intercepts, this becomes y minus y1 is 0, y2 is b minus y1 is again 0, x minus x1 is a, x2 minus a, x2 is 0, so this is 0. So this becomes y by b is equal to x minus a by minus a. Now let's split this, so this becomes x minus x by a, minus minus plus, so 1. Now let's bring that to this side, so this becomes x by a plus y by b equal to 1. Now remember, equation from any other form can be converted to this form. Okay, so let's say 3x plus 4y is equal to 5. So let's divide the entire thing by 5. So what do we get? 3x by 5 plus 4y by 5 equal to 1. Now this can be written as x by 5 by 3 plus y by 5 by 4 equal to 1. So which means X-intercept and Y-intercept. Normal form. Now here what we do is, let's say this is the line. We look at the perpendicular distance of the line from the origin. Right? So depending on, okay, so let us say this is 90 degree, this is 90 degree. So this is A, this is B, this is O. Let's say this distance is A, this distance is B, and this perpendicular distance is P, and this angle is alpha. So, and let's say this is M. So OM is the perpendicular distance from origin. Now P is equal to OM, which is perpendicular to AB. From O, angle AOB equal to 90 degree. Angle MOB is equal to 90 minus alpha. Now alpha is the angle between the x-axis and the perpendicular to AB, that is OM. Since BOA equal to 90 degree and MOB is equal to BOA minus alpha. Now let's look at triangle MBO. Now in this triangle angle MBO plus BMO plus MOB is equal to 180 degree. This is our standard sum of the angles of a triangle. Now angle MBO plus BMO is what? BMO is 90 degree. MOB is what? Just now we looked at MOB is 90 minus alpha. 180 degree. So this is 180 degree, which cancels with this. So we are left with 0 here. So angle MBO is equal to alpha. Now in triangle OAM. Now what is OAM? OAM in this triangle. Remember, we need an equation with P and A. Now P is, if you look at this angle alpha, P is the adjacent side and A is the hypotenuse. So which trigonometric ratio? We require the cos alpha, which is P by A. Similarly, triangle OBM, now we require P and B. So now P with respect to this alpha, P is the opposite side and this is the hypotenuse. So this is the opposite side and this is the hypotenuse. So which means we require sine alpha is equal to P by B. Now let's rearrange them. We require A is equal to. So A is equal to P by sine alpha. And this becomes B is equal to P by cos alpha. Now remember, A and B are the X and Y intercepts. So which means the equation of a line becomes X by P by cos alpha plus Y by P by sine alpha is equal to 1. Now this can be rewritten as taking cos alpha up. So X cos alpha by P plus Y sine alpha by P equal to 1. Which means if we take the LCM and take the denominator to the other side, it becomes X cos alpha plus Y sine alpha is equal to P. So this is the equation of the line in normal form. Now finally, let's look at the general form. The general form is the AX plus BY plus C equal to 0. Now we have to show that this is right. So we have to take it into some other form. Let's say we want to take it to Y is equal to form. So BY is equal to minus AX minus C. Now let's divide this entire thing by B. So Y is equal to minus A by B X minus C by B. This is divided by B. Okay, and this can be written as, if we put this into, we can convert this into plus and minus, we can take it inside. So here, if you notice, this is the slope and this is the Y-intercept. So which means that this is in the form Y is equal to mx plus c. So therefore it is a straight line. Now if b is equal to 0, here implies slope, which is m is equal to minus a by b. So b by minus a by 0 will be, depending on how you look at it, infinity or undefined. If a equal to 0, slope will be 0. So in this case it will be a vertical line and here it will be a horizontal line. So that is different forms in which the equation of a line can be written. That's it for now. Bye.